Another interesting move is if you select your object and then go to the brain box is wave. It gives a wave movement to your character, to your object. Again, like a lesson that I explained it before, 0 and the none is different in buildbox. If you set it 0 and 0, the object that is here maintains its position and just waving. It is dynamic, but the gravity does not affect that. But if you set to delete the 0 to the none, you can see none. If you set all of 0 to the none, the gravity will be affected to that, and you cannot see wave movement. And this part is random. You can, like before, add a random. In this, for example, 5 means it gives a random number and add to that negative and positive 5 and positive negative 5 to positive 5. It's pick a randomly number. For example, I set to the y. If you select it, this is an y. If you set y, it's create a waving for you. If you preview your game, from the position of the object, it's going positive 3 and negative 3 at the down and up and down. And it's repeated and repeated. But if you give a random number to that, for example, 2, you can see a huge difference. So you pick a random, it's go somewhere upper, somewhere. Okay, you can set a random or make it to 0. Let's try them none, and let's what's happen here. The gravity will be affected that. Okay, in this case, because the y is set to 3, it does not affect it. For example, tell the software in a z, wave in a z axis 3. And let's try it because we are x and y none. Okay, it's trying to fall down and it's waving and waving and it's slowly fall down because of gravity, because we set the x and y to the none. But if you want your object maintain its position and wave, set them to the 0. And it fall down, hit the ground. Oh, because you can see it's forcing the object to, well, it's dynamic and everything is correct. But if you select it, if you select it and make everything none, it just fall down because of the gravity, the wave factor. And you can change the wave speed. Oh, you can see because we have a wave option, you can make it delete and you can change the wave speed to any speed that you want, and done. So that node, that brainbox node, add a little limitation for dynamic act correct. Be careful about that.